Hello everybody. Today I will focus more on the crypto market because basically in the traditional market not much happened. The S&P made a new high but with extremely low volume. Then gold is down 0.2% and silver up 0.12%, so not much to mention there compared to yesterday. But then the big news of the day: Paraguay is going to vote for Bitcoin to become a legal tender. And what happens with the crypto market? Well, for Bitcoin we have plus 3.27% for the moment. So you might think this must be extremely bullish for Bitcoin, especially after El Salvador. Maybe this will be the second country. Everybody should FOMO in. Just if you compare it with Elon Musk, just putting Bitcoin in on his Twitter account, and then we go up plus 10%, and now basically nothing happens. El Salvador, not much regarding that news. Now Paraguay, also nothing. So this defines that we are in a bear market. So yes, it's official, we are in a bear market. Because why? In a bull market, negative news doesn't matter. And in a bear market, positive news doesn't matter. So that El Salvador is having Bitcoin as legal tender already didn't influence the market at all. So people are bearish. Okay, is that a good thing or a bad thing? We just trade the charts. Doesn't matter. If everybody is bearish, usually it's the opposite, and some nice pumps can be expected. So this is a bit about the mindset of the people currently, because you might have people who are really bullish, you have people who are really bearish, and it's hard to gauge, okay, which group is now the majority, the bulls, the bears. So now it's clearly the bears. When you see such kind of events with almost no fluctuation in price, then yeah, we are officially in a bear market. Does it mean we go further down to zero? Of course not. Of course not. So let's have a look at the chart. So here in red, I've redrawn the triangle we were all looking at a few weeks ago, where we did come out and then back into the triangle, and then even below the triangle, and now we're back in the triangle. Yesterday I was still leaning a bit bearish, because for me I wanted to see this yellow line to become support. So this is a weekly support. So yesterday we did go, or 2 days ago, we did go above, then smack down, making a new low, and then we did come up, and then we were struggling around here, pump up, then we rejected on this 4-hour resistance line, and then we did come back to the weekly, and that's where I have been accumulating more. So this was the confirmation that yes, we are heading back up. So you also see that in the worst case we could have wicked down maybe to the red line, which is the support from the triangle, but that didn't happen. We did wick to the weekly support line, and now we're back up. So now again the 4-hour resistance line, and also this resistance line from the triangle is currently in play. So we might see some pullback over here. Maybe if we take a FIP extension, which one is the low? Yeah, this one. So from here to here. So maybe we retrace to the 33,443 region and find support over there, then to finally break out of the resistance in this zone. So another level to break would be this high over here. Let's draw a circle around it. This one. This was on the 4-hour chart. This was our last high. And then we made a lower low. So now we're making a high, a higher low, potentially a higher high with another higher low. And then the next higher high should take out this high over here. So then also on the 4-hour chart, we have a confirmation that we are back in a bullish trend. On the 1-hour chart, we have already seen that. So let's go there. So we had a high over here, lower low, lower high, and this is the one we did already break. So this one over here. So we made a lower low, we did come up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now let's see what will come next. So given that, let's have a look at the wick of accumulation. To make things more clear, I will take a line instead of bars, and let's do some cleaning up. So let's take this one off from the triangle, this one as well, this FIP, let's hide it, and I think we can leave the support levels on. And now let's bring back the wick of accumulation. Maybe on the 4-hour would be better. Yeah. So this is what we were already looking at a few weeks ago. So we made this lower low over here. We did rally up again to retest the resistance over here at the 40.5k region, and now we did go all the way down, and it looks like this is the spring. So here we pushed one more time lower, accumulate over here, and now we're good to go. So we have the weekly support over here. So you see it was tested here, couldn't hold, and now we come back, and here we stay above. So now we might see a retest of again the 40.5k, reject from it, maybe again retrace 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and then we're good to go to break out of the whole wick of pattern. So I think, yeah, we slowly can see more bullish price structure. Let's hide this one again and go back to the candles. And let's have a look at Ethereum. What happened over there? So also here we made a low, Then we made a lower low, and look at this weekly support. The weekly support is from all the way in February, mid-February of this year. Here it acted as support. It did go break down, did consolidate a bit below, made a lower low. We did come back up above the weekly, consolidated again a bit below, and now we're back above. So this also looks really good. So we still might have a small retest of the weekly to have a final confirmation, and then we head up higher. For the algo trading then, Tezos nicely going up. We're not so far anymore from the trigger line, but still no buy signal. So Bitcoin, let's make this one a bit bigger. So here we're also getting closer. So the level we look at is 36,710. So if we close above, then we go back long, and unfortunately we will close our sell with a loss. Ethereum still far away from the trigger line, so which is at 2,533. So if price comes up, this will not come down anymore. So this is the final level that we have to break. So that's another $500 increase that we should see from here. Bitcoin Cash trigger line at 571.9, and then here we go. XRP, as predicted yesterday, we did get the buy signal, and so actually the gains of today we already have virtually in our trading account, so plus 6.3%. So let's have a look at the trading portfolios. So Bitcoin, so we're still in the short with now a 10% loss. XRP, so here we did go within a position size of 800, since because we already lost 20% from the past weeks, and now we're up almost $50. The Bitcoin liquidations, let's see over there. Oh, now I'm gonna have to load all the tabs. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're currently at 22, yesterday 14. So today's price action made us all a bit less bearish. Bitcoin liquidations. So we're gonna have to filter them out. So we want BTC. Come on, BTC. And we want the 1 hour candles. So still shakeout of the lows is shakeout of the shorts is quite low. If you see here, when we made the absolute low and then we went up like 14%, there are a lot of shorts were shaken out, while with the current price action there are not so many liquidations. And then was left a fear and greed index for the stock market. So yesterday 35, now 39. So also here we're getting a bit more bullish. Also thanks to the new highs we are making. All right. So I think that's about it. For the harmonic pattern trading, there was not so much to say about the Hungarian forint on the daily, because it looks like we're going to accumulate here around this zone in order to finally push to my price target. And then marathon oil, yeah, back up to the resistance zone. So let's get the harmonic pattern. There we go. And then the Viva Systems made a higher high compared to yesterday, but got rejected, and now we're back around the same price as it was yesterday. So yeah, okay guys, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.